Guys, I'm back and today we're gonna talking about Samsung Galaxy A90. The device is completely different this time. A video has rolled out which shows the design of this device, and I'm sure you have never seen such a design from Samsung. So before moving to this video, you guys subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you will get a notification. So this video shows how Samsung Galaxy A90 gonna look. The design is completely different now, and on the front you guys can see the display is completely bezel-less, almost no bezels around, and the question arises where the front camera goes. So this time Samsung is providing you a sliding mechanism for the front camera. You are not getting any cutouts or notches on the display. So I think this is for the first time Samsung is coming with this setup. Due to that notchless design, you are getting about 6.7 in display on Samsung Galaxy A90, which is huge. And on the front, you guys also see there are two camera setup, and this time you are getting an actual wide-angle camera on Galaxy A90. You guys have also seen Galaxy S10 Plus has dual camera setup on the front. The second camera is not actually wide, but on this phone you guys are getting an actual wide-angle camera, so don't worry about that thing. There are also two cameras on the back of smartphone placed horizontally. So this time you are getting quad camera setup on Samsung Galaxy A90. This phone coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner and you are not getting face unlock. If it comes with this thing, it would be slow, so don't rely on that thing. It looks Samsung is really putting a lot of effort on this smartphone, as it is the king of Samsung Galaxy A series and it might be the priciest smartphone of A series. The phone is coming with 25-hour fast charging, and I think this is the fastest smartphone on Samsung planet, and it is supported by 3600 mAh battery capacity. The specification of this smartphone has yet to be confirmed, so when it leaks out, I'll let you guys know. And the smartphone is launching on 10th of April, and at that day we'll see how the smartphone looks in actual world, how much these three renders are real. That's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so when I post a new video you guys get the notification. Until next time, peace out.